Hello, now in this video we're going to see how to use the exec command in Docker. So for this I have already started this lab and I've already previously completed it, but I have to re-record it. So yep, here is the lab. Do be not win despair. Okay, it went away. No mind. Okay, so in this lab we have to see, like, we have to do some tasks by going inside the container, and for that we will be using the exec command. Now the exec command is useful when we have to run a specific command in a container, and to actually peek inside the container we can also use the docker run it and that command, but okay, we are using exec command for this time. And okay, it is saying one of the dev team members was working on a configure service on this container, and he is on leave for rest of the week, but we need to complete his pending tasks ASAP. The thing to do is install Apache in the container and then configure Apache to listen on this port instead of the default port. So this is the thing. First I have to go into this app server one. Let me SSH it into it. Now what I need to do is just install Apache into that. Let me see if the server is running. So docker ps, yes, the kkloud server, container is running, and to go inside it I have to type docker exec -it container name, which command, bin/bash. Now I am in. Let's see the files. Here are the files. I need to install Apache 2. So apt install apach2. It will install Apache 2. Yes. Now I want to see how to configure Apache to listen on port this. To configure Apache to listen on some other port other than the default port, I'll search it on Google. Here I have this first Stack Overflow article, and there we can see we have to go into this place, and then we have to just change the port in this one and also in this one to change the defaults. Okay, the Apache server has been downloaded, but it is not started yet. We will first change the ports that it is using and then we'll start it. So okay, cd to that directory msl. Okay, so here is the ports.configuration file that we have to change. So I'll type vi in ports. Oh, see, vi is not found, so I'll install vi, and that is through apt install vi. Now if I do vi, it will not run because it cannot find vi, so it is the short form of vim. So vim I have to type in full. It should be able to do it now. Yes, let's see. Okay, it downloaded. Now let me run the above command. Ports, right, I'm inside. I'll go and change this listen to which port? 5000 it is saying, or 5000. Exit wq. Okay, this one is saved. Now the second where I have to go is this one, so I'll directly go into there from here only, vi and that file. Okay, I am in. I'll go into this place and I'll change the port to 5000. Is that all? I guess that is all that needed to be done. So I will clear this all. clear clear here. Okay, let's check. Oh, wait. Okay, thank God I did not do it because I did not start the Apache 2. Okay, so how to start Apache 2? startapach2. I need to start Apache 2. What is the command? Systemctl start Apache 2. Let's use this one. Systemctl not found. And CentOS. It was not systemctl. I remember it was services, but okay. See, there is no systemctl. The system control is not there. Okay, I'll have to find the command that was there, and I'm not sure why it was like that. I'll first search this whole thing. There was this article that had a solution, and I'll have to see the solution, the command that was there to start it. Service Apache to start. See, there's something. Let's see, why is there two different commands? Right? Service is used when dealing with old system 5 init scripts and systemctl for systemd services, etc. I would suggest not dealing with service or system 5 init script anymore unless it's some legacy application. Okay, service was the old way, but our lab is using service. Systemctl is not there, so we'll have to use it. Service start Apache 2. Could not determine the servers fully using set the server to suppress this message. Okay, I guess it started still. So what was that? How to see status? Okay, let's see Apache 2 status. STATUS. Apache 2 is running. Now I want to curl. Should I curl? Cool. Like, I know the lab is completed, but still I want to see how to curl it. Now we will see two ways to curl. One that was given in this article and one that I can search on Google. Now, how to see our curl local host port. Let's see. Okay, it is saying you can do it like this. Cool, let me search it up. CURL localhost colon 5000. It is able to do something, I guess. Yes. And what was the one that they gave me? Let's see. Okay, a 5. And the article it was this. Let's see this one. I'm not saying 5001. I'm asking you to run it on 5000. Okay. This is a better way. I learned something new. Okay, we can call it like this and it is okay. So curl ik. We will see what this command does. But let's see and confirm it. It should work. Yes, completed.